Let's learn about big friend formula for plus 9. Plus 9 equals minus 1 plus 10. It can also be written as plus 10 minus 1. Let's see how this formula is used with the help of an example. 4 plus 9. Now we cannot add 9 beads because we don't have enough beads to add. Now 9 is in trouble. So just like we have friends in everyday life who help us when we are in trouble, friend of 9 will help 9 now that 9 is in trouble. So 9 will ask its friend 1 to go away, minus 1, and ask the common friend 10 to come and help, plus 10. So plus 9 equals minus 1 plus 10. And the answer is 13.